What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can screen record on your MacBook absolutely for free. And what we're going to do is we're going to QuickTime Player, we're pressing the right button, I'm going to click on New Screen Recording. And now you can select a field where you want to record in. Let's say I only want the edges of the browser, which I have selected right now. Now I can manage some options. For example, when you have a mic like me plugged in, you can select it. It is an USB mic, so I'm clicking on USB. I would like to have a timer on it. You can also press none, but I want a 5 seconds timer to be sure that I'm ready. So I click on 5 seconds. Now I click on record. It will count down, as you can see. And right now you can see that on the top right, the mic is on, and you can see this little button here. It's in black because I am not capturing this part of my screen, but this is the pause button. So now I'm basically recording my screen, and when I'm ready, I'm clicking this sign that you can't see very well right now. You can. Clicking on it, and that is basically how you record your screen. It took 21 seconds. Right, the mic is on, and you can see this little button. That's basically how it works, guys. It's not very hard. When you want to save a file like this, you click on File, and then you click on Save. And then you can store it anywhere you want on your folder. So thank you guys for watching. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.